KeyBank Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The KeyBank Secured Credit Card is designed for individuals with limited or damaged credit histories looking to rebuild or establish credit. Its core feature is its secured nature, requiring a cash deposit ranging from $300 to $1,000, which serves as your credit limit. This deposit minimizes risk for KeyBank, making approval more accessible compared to unsecured cards. A significant feature is the potential for credit line increases and graduation to an unsecured card, although the specific timeframe and criteria for this transition aren't explicitly stated upfront, requiring proactive communication with KeyBank. Reporting to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, is a crucial strength, as consistent on-time payments directly contribute to credit score improvement. Unlike some secured cards, KeyBank doesn't offer rewards or cashback on purchases, focusing instead on credit rebuilding. The absence of an annual fee is a positive, mitigating the cost of credit rebuilding. This card is primarily suited for individuals rejected for unsecured cards due to a low credit score or lack of credit history. The primary strength lies in its accessibility and credit building potential, making it a viable option for those starting or restarting their credit journey. However, the lack of rewards is a significant weakness compared to some competing secured cards, meaning you're foregoing potential earnings while building credit. A notable weakness is the limited information publicly available about the graduation process to an unsecured card. Transparency in this area would be beneficial. Furthermore, while no annual fee is a plus, the absence of any perks or incentives might deter some applicants. The interest rate is variable and typically high, a common characteristic of cards designed for credit rebuilding, emphasizing the importance of paying the balance in full each month to avoid costly interest charges. Finally, consider other secured card options, particularly those offering rewards or a clearer path to graduating to an unsecured card before committing. While the KeyBank Secured Credit Card offers a pathway to credit improvement with no annual fee, its lack of rewards and somewhat opaque graduation process mean it might not be the optimal choice for everyone. Ultimately, weigh its strengths and weaknesses against your individual needs and financial goals to make an informed decision.